Oh my God. Something really great happened to me today. And I said I have to share this story with you guys. I went out to buy some groceries at the market, and exactly at the same market, yeah, I met a lady some months ago, like 4 or 5 months ago. And that time I was there with all my children and my husband, like, you know. And this woman, when she saw us, she was like all over us, you know. She was like staring at us, you know. So, but she later came boldly to me and asked me, "Where is your husband from?" And she complimented me and told me I have such a beautiful family, you know. Then I started explaining to her, my husband is an Igbo man, you know. And she was very, very much interested. So we had a small conversation, and she was like, so wow, you know, everything was just like wow for her. So now she asked me, how does it look like to be married to an Igbo man, you know? I hope you wanna trust me, eh? Now I started explaining to her. I told her, see, if you are the wife of an Igbo man, and that man true loves you, oh my God, you don't make him for this life, oh, because that man must make sure his wife get everything for this life, you know. And Igbos, their family is always number one, you know. Yeah. And I also told her, even though you don't get much attention from Igbo man, you know, because Igbo man head 24/7, ta 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 ta. How can I make money? Huh? Where money? Money, like computer. So she was laughing, you know. But she was really, really happy, you know. I gave her all the whole explanations about Igbo people, that they are really great, you know. So imagine what happened. Oh my God. That same market I go today, I saw this lady again with a black guy, yo. I was like, Jesus. And before this guy even introduced himself, I know say this one I confirmed the woman, oh. I don't scan in DNA finish, but I just relax, you know. I went to them, I said, hello, good afternoon, how are you guys doing, you know. And she told me, hi, this is my boyfriend, you know. I said, wow, nice to meet you. What is your name? Can you imagine? This guy tell me say name now Chukwuemeka. Jesus. Really, this thing made me so happy. You know, this Lolo na confirmed matchmaker. See, let me tell you guys something. Igbo must go far. See what I just did. I told this lady, Igbos are so great, you know. Igbos, they sabi take care of their women. Igbos and family, oh my God, it's there, nothing can come in between, you know. If he loves you, yeah, I'm not saying all are so good and everything, you know. I know every tribe have good and bad people, you know, but see, let me tell you guys something. If an Igbo man true loves you, yes, from his heart, you can have everything in this life from him. And I'm not saying material things, you know. Yes. Now so, but this thing just made me so happy. You know, and she even thanked me. She thanked me for all these very good explanations about Igbos. And now she has an Igbo boyfriend. And maybe the next thing, not to marry you. And all because of me. Hi, God. I'm so proud of myself. Hi, God. I don't ask myself whether they come bomb me for Igbo people. Eh? Hi, God.